Morning. Today I'm going to be refitting all the pipework and electrical connections, ECUs and stuff onto the engine, so fingers crossed I can get it started today. So let's crack on. Okay, first job I'm going to tackle is the clutch pipe, and then I'm going to put the gear cables on. It's quite a simple one. It's just routing the cable back underneath the slave cylinder and then popping the gear cables back on and then reattaching them with the circlips. Okay, if you can see those down there, I've put those little clips on the back there, so let's see if we've got all gears. Obviously there's no clutch yet because I've not finished the brake lines and stuff, so there's no fluid in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and reverse. There you go. I just need to probably make sure that all those bushes are okay in that, because it feels a bit noisy. Well, the cables need to be routed better anyway, one of the two. So yeah, at least we've got all gears anyway. Okay, I'm going to put the ECU on and the vacuum hose now. So let's hope this one goes on nice and easily. It's one of those hard plastic pipes. They're not the easiest to put back on. Be very careful when you're putting these in, make sure that it's firmly down before you close this down, because you can bend the pins on the ECU. There we go, on to the next job. Okay, typically I forgot to push record when I was doing this bit. What I've got to do is wedge a little bit of cloth in there to hold the throttle body open, feed the little wire around the back, pop it in, pull it through, and now I just need to find a circlip to go on the end there, and that's the job done. Okay, I've misplaced the clip for the throttle cable, so what I've had to do is just grind a washer up a little bit, and then it's just slid in nicely until I can find a replacement to go in there. So next I'm going to be firmly attaching the radiator. unfortunately I'm not getting everything done that I wanted to today. I did want to start the engine, but everything has just taken 3 times longer to put together than it would normally do. The windscreen is now in. I've fitted a lot of all the electrical connections, all the pipe work's done. So it is almost ready to start. I need to add some fuel, double check some electrical connections, make sure everything's powering up correctly. So hopefully in the next video I can start it for you, and hopefully it runs right. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.